Well, hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've done a Dollar Tree haul. I've been really trying to cut back at shopping at the Dollar Tree. I like shopping at the Dollar Tree. There's a couple things I've been trying to find, but I've been really trying to get cut back on stuff. But I've been trying to get more food items, stuff that's actually useful. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. I actually found two things that I was so excited to find. So I'm going to share with you guys on that. So I just found out they opened a new store kind of near me. But I'm beyond excited because I love going to new stores because they're all nice and clean. They're all like faced. But this store apparently was open like a couple weeks ago or something like that. But I didn't know I grabbed two Gushers. Oh, Ben must have. I thought Ben was grabbing fruit roll-ups. Anyways, we ended up getting some Gushers. These are mini Gushers, and there is 4 packs in here. I'm like, for $1. These are perfect. I swear, I thought he grabbed the Fruit Loops, but or not Fruit Loops, the fruit roll-ups, but he might have put that back. But we got those to try, even though we love Gushers. Charlotte's hair is like all getting up in her face, and I've been trying to find hair ties for her to wear. But she keeps taking them out, so I thought maybe something like this that's this little tiny that I don't have to keep folding and folding and folding. So I got that for her hair to use. Graham really likes these Lance Toasties and then toast and cheese. He really likes eating these cheese and crackers, so he eats those as a treat. While I was standing in line, I saw that they had Bazooka Bubble Gum, you guys. I was so excited. I haven't had Bazooka Gum, I think, in like maybe 20 years or something. But it's just kind of like this, and then they still do have the comic in there. So I showed Graham the comic, but yeah. It took us maybe 15 minutes to get home, and it already lost its flavor. So I put it in there right when we got out of the store. And I had to spit it out when we got home, but I still like Bazooka. So I'm like, it's $1. That's fine. Ben is really into Orange Crush. And I said, Ben, look up this. But I said, this is Crush Fruit Mix. It's not just Orange Crush. So he wants to try it. All it is strawberry, pineapple, grape, and orange. So got those for him and Graham to eat. Graham found some Sara Lee, a muffin, and a cinnamon crumb cake. These are on clearance for 50 cents because they expire in a couple days. This one expires in like 3 days. This one expires tomorrow. So that's still fine, but he got those for 50 cents each. And then he used to get these all the time, but it's been a while. He got the Golden Crust spicy beef patty. He just put it in the oven and then cooked. But he used to eat these like all the time. I've never tried it, but if he wants it, go for it. So we got that. He also got some of the cinnamon crumble 5 cakes, and then he got blondies. So he's gotten these before the kids ate them with him, but he got those as little snacks. There's 5 snacks per box. I'm like, that's $1. Now we were at the Dollar Tree a couple days, like last week or something, and he saw this pizza crust. Okay, he bought it. And then we got like some pizza sauce and then mushrooms and pepperoni. He gobbled that up. He said this pizza crust is like the bomb. It's super thin, so you gotta be careful when you take it out. It could break very easily. But he had me stop at a Dollar Tree when I was shopping the other day to get him more. So I got him 2 more of these, and then I also got some mini ones, which are a 2-pack. So I thought, hey, if you don't want to eat a whole pizza, you can just have a little tiny one that's perfect size. So he's like all into this, making his own pizza crust, but he really likes this pizza crust, and I've tried it. It's actually not that bad. I mean, for $1. So he had to get another one because he's just obsessed with the pizza crust. Ben and I love these ices, so he gets these pretty much every single time we go to the Dollar Tree, but it takes him like over a week to eat it, which is so fine. But he always asks if he can have one of these. But ices, they do have a blueberry one also, so if he wants to eat those, go for it. I gotta put those in the freezer. And then I'll show you guys the stuff that I was super excited that I found. Okay. So, Ben's birthday is coming up in September, and he wants to have a SpongeBob themed birthday party. So I got these for him. I thought these would be great for him to have when his birthday comes. If we cannot do like a SpongeBob birthday theme, I thought we can always add these to his cake. So we got Patrick and SpongeBob, so we got those to add to his cake in case we can't find anything when we do order it. Now this is the stuff I was super excited for. Now this is a Disney Pixar. It's called Funny, 25 Years of Laughter from the Pixar Story Room. And basically, in this book was originally $29.95. $29.95. But basically, all it is drawings from like Up, and then there's like WALL-E is in here. Just kind of drawings of how they made the shows. It's kind of cool. They got Eve. I mean, it's just like, here's WALL-E. It's just like really cool. So that oh, they got Ratatouille. And they got Cars. So like, you know, just little drawings. I thought this would be a good book to kind of read because I really love Disney. So I was excited to get that. And then this caught my eye. It is called Imagination Illustrated the Jim Henson Journal. Now this is also $29.95, and I'm a huge fan of the Muppets. I love the Muppets. So I was looking in here, and basically it just says the Muppets, and then it kind of just has a story of how it all started with like a timeline and all the puppets and everything. And then they got Ralph. So I'm just kind of excited to read this book and kind of go through it. So yeah, they got, yeah. So I ended up getting that. Those were the two things I was super excited to find, because you never can find stuff like that, you know. I always like staring at it. We got Ben a little little airplane thing that he can just glide. He likes to throw stuff down the stairs and then Grandma will throw it back up the stairs. So he wanted that. And then I think this is the last item that I got. I ended up getting these little baskets because I have an Etsy shop and I actually like sell these little plastic thingies, and I need to organize them. And I thought, and I have these big buckets on a bookshelf, which is fine, but the buckets are too big and I can only fit like 2 on the shelf. I thought since these items are super small, I can always just put them all right next to each other. So I got 4 of these that I can use for the future for my little organization of my PVC things. But other than that, that is all that I got. It wasn't much, but I'm happy we got more food items. And I'm so excited for those books to read, so I'm pretty excited for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time I do another Dollar Tree haul. We will have to see. I always love visiting Dollar Trees because you never know what you're going to find. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.